Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the elegant Linea di Liara glass globe brushed nickel wall sconce lighting, a stunning blend of mid-century modern design and functionality. This versatile wall sconce comes with a 4-watt, 400-lumen LED filament Edison-style bulb, offering a warm 2700K color temperature and is dimmable when paired with a compatible ELV dimmer, perfect for setting the right mood in any room. Installation is a breeze with its 5-inch diameter mounting plate, allowing for simple hardwired setup, and the flexibility to install it as either an uplight or downlight. Ideal for a variety of indoor settings, this modern glass wall sconce enhances spaces like bathroom vanities, bedrooms, hallways, and living rooms with its sleek design. Safety and performance are assured as this fixture is O-listed, ensuring energy efficiency and reliability. Designed in Chicago, this sconce not only elevates your home's aesthetic but also comes with the support of an American customer service team ready to assist you. Transform your space with the Linea di Liara glass globe wall sconce and experience the perfect blend of style and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.